All right, how about now? Hopefully you should be able to hear me now. Hey, let's go. How's the volume? Is my volume okay? Is quiet, loud? What's going on? Volume perfect. Awesome. Great. So let me get started with the music, and we are off. Okay. What's going on, guys? It's been a minute. 10%? All right, let me see. How is that? Is that any better? Hey, let's go. Okay, welcome. Welcome to my amazing stream. All right, so it's been a minute, but last we left off, I was trying to get things to drag, and it wasn't working. So let's see. Get back in the groove here. Let's check on this item content, or item slot content. Oh yeah, I remember this. Hold on, yeah, this definitely did not, literally just did not work. And it was really annoying. So on track. Okay, so now the real question becomes, what happens if I give it a event trigger? Add new event. I think begin drag would be good. And then can I add stuff here? I think I tried this last time, and it was really iffy. And if I remember correctly, this is probably not going to work. Yeah, it doesn't work. And I don't know what that means. Is it getting blocked by something? That's the most likely thing. It has to be getting blocked by something. So maybe it's getting blocked by this? So yeah, let's try items, or better yet, here, let me add another event trigger here. Add a new begin drag. Or you know what, let's make that an on pointer down. Pointer down. And then make that hit the debug of its content. No, that doesn't work either. And what happens if we do that? Oops. What happens if we do that here? We do pointer down. It should also do the debug. Okay. No debug. But it's definitely here. Yes, it is. What about on click? Does on click work? Okay, on click works. Why does that work? That doesn't help me at all, actually. Whatever. So maybe it's getting overwritten by the button? What the hell is that, Helen? Thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, I remember this was super funky. I literally, I hate the Unity inventory stuff, or not the inventory, the UI system is just, it literally just never works ever. Like, what bothers me is that it clearly is registering events because on-click works, except when I do an event that I want it to do. Like, even if I do something simple like if I do just like pointer enter, that's like a super basic one. Yeah, I actually thought about that, Jimmy, but so could you couple up on click with toggle dragging and just have the sprite track the mouse when moving? Not really, because on click actually only registers when you click down and then click up. And what bothers me even more about this is the fact that there's only one event here. Like, why is there not on this button? Why is there not like 30 events for like all the different things you can do? Like, it's only on click, which is like there's so many other ways to like use a button. Yeah. So I think what I was trying before is if I go through here and I do like public. Oh, here, let me using Unity engine.ui. If I do a public button, like, is there any other events there? Actually, I should probably do this in start. So like already, like, it doesn't like have any public variables I can just access. I don't understand. Could you like extend button for this prefix? Extending button is a very interesting idea. That's a very interesting idea. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna try that. Wait, what? Oh shit, that's why, because there's two different types of buttons. So if I get rid of this, get rid of that. Okay, whatever. And it doesn't know what pointer event data is, maybe? Whatever. Hold on. So if I do button dot... Would I ever work at a maid cafe? If the pay was good. If it was comparable to a software engineering position. Yeah, exactly. Okay, animation triggers. Wait, look, it has triggers. Wait, but why is it a string? Do I need to look at the button API? Like, what is this shit? So what if I make item slot? So let me remove this button component, and then let me see if I can have this inherit from button. Does that, in and of itself, break anything? Is there a promotion track? That's funny. Yeah. Fastest route to upper management you can get is a maid cafe. Okay, so this does actually, just inheriting it works. So now, is it possible? Let me actually check the API. Okay, that just goes to mono behavior. Why does that just go to mono behavior? Okay, so if I search the scripting API for... Oh, get rid of that. The scripting API for... come on. What is it? Button. That's what it is. No, this is UI elements. I don't want this button. I want the unity.ui. Just unityengine.ui. Okay. Hold on. Oops. Okay, here it is. Properties. It's a Unity event that triggers when the button is pressed. Okay. So yeah, that's what I don't. It literally has all of these things, like the deselect, on move, on pointer down. But it just doesn't like it doesn't reveal them in the inspector. It's so weird. Oh wait, hold on. This looks what's going on in chat here. 200 hours, 4 times I saw. Wait, how much is that? So if you do like 200 an hour times a 40-hour work week times 52 working weeks in a year, that's 416K. So that's not bad. That's precedent level. That is, yeah. What's funny is that Jeff Bezos is like times 1,000 on this probably, which means he probably makes $1,000 an hour just by existing. All right, so let's see. Item slot content, button, public. Oh, I need to use the event system, which I'm already have implemented. Hey, Sino Bito. I could not read. Sino Bite-Off Sec. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Welcome to the stream. Sorry for butchering the name there. Okay, so if I make a Unity event. Oh, wait, hold on. No, this needs to be events. That's what it is, not event system. Public Unity event, and then what is it? What is it? So they have on click. And I think can I just like implement all of these? Like on pointer down, on pointer enter. So if, let me try that just for now. On pointer down event to max the convention of on click. And literally all I should have to do is public override. Is it here? Oh, it is. That's great. On pointer down, and then we can do on pointer down dot question mark dot invoke. So if there's something it should be doing with on pointer down, then invoke it. And then also, in addition to that, hopefully this should show up below on click. Let's see if that works. Jimmy, I think this is a really good idea. The only issue is it's not working. Jimmy, what the hell? You lied to me. Hold on. Why doesn't it show up? It's so weird. What a shame. What if I need to explicitly serialize it? Maybe that'll fix it? Okay, it should be showing up. There's like no reason for it not to be. So what if I like just add a float? Does that work? Public float PP poo poo does not show up either. So Unity, oh my god, why do they do this? Is so stupid. They literally have a custom serializer for the button that overrides everything I do. This is so stupid. Yes, this is the item slot content right here. Otherwise, it would say button. So, like, the easiest way I can think of to remedy this is if I do an override to the item slot content editor. Which is so stupid. And now I don't even remember. Okay, Unity custom serial inspector. That's what I should be looking for. Okay, let's see. And the documentation is super. This was made in like 2013 or something. So it's super out of date. Okay, let's use a third-party one. Is that any better? Okay, here we go. Okay, here's stuff that looks, oh, yeah, here's stuff that looks good. So if I copy this over... Why do I need to reload this? What happened? Okay. Oh, that's an item container. I was like, wait, I don't remember doing that. Okay, so it's right here. Have to, actually, yeah, let me just do one I know works. So this is gonna be item slot content. And this is also item slot content. And then draw default inspector, and then just... Hold on. Okay, and I don't need it to do anything right now. So let me just... Oh, print doesn't exist here because debug.log reset. Okay, let's just see if like this in theory works. So it's gonna draw the default inspector first. And then hopefully it'll have like the thing after it, and then I can actually go through and make this not stupid. Where is it? Content. Wait, what the hell? Wait, that just what? Okay. That's weird. It just exposed a bunch of other shit too. So I don't think... Okay, base.draw... No, not draw default inspector. I need it to draw the custom inspector, maybe? So if I do base.draw default inspector... Wait, that goes to like the very top, right? So I don't think I want that. Or maybe I do? I don't fucking know. But it PP poo poo and on pointer down appear now. So that worked. But why? Okay, yeah, and that like button works. But yeah, good enough. Fuck it, right? Honestly, yeah, good enough. Why am I even continuing with this? Is there like a button editor? No, there isn't. Okay, this is fine. So I no longer need PP poo poo. I can get rid of that. And I no longer need to serialize this. Although this, yeah, no. Events are, public events is the norm. So I think we should do that. Okay, so the first thing I want to check is to see if I broke anything. So let's see if I broke anything. If I do on click. Oops, not content. Okay. String. That's fine. Jimmy, you're so right. Good enough is like the perfect answer there. Like, who fucking cares if all this other shit is in here? Like, as long as it works, I don't care. So hopefully print and then... Oh, whoa. What's this? Okay. Okay, so that still works. Now, let me try the on pointer down one. Oh, yeah, sorry. Where's the print? There it is. And then if I do, okay, yeah, let's just test that for now. So hopefully, when I click down before I click up, it should say we're going down, down. Hey, let's go. Jimmy, you're a genius. Thank you. Thank you for that. Okay, so let me make a region here for, oh no, region events, or button events, and region. So now I can, let's see whatever overrides I got. Thanks, Jimmy. Okay, so we got on move. Okay, that's whatever. So I think, yeah, I think we should just do like on move. Yeah, let's just follow this convention for the rest of them. So public override on, what do we get? Yeah, fuck it, let's just run it down. Override on. Oh, it's void on pointer click, which is already implemented. So we don't need that. But you know what? Let's just have it do the base thing, because why not? Override on pointer enter. Did I already do that one? No, I didn't. Okay. Override on pointer exit. Oops. Let's just do override on pointer up. And I think, wait, no, there should be ones for like drag, right? Or am I crazy? That might be it. Okay, now I can copy over this Unity event thing. And then change the names afterwards. Oh, that's already correct. And then this is exit. This is enter. This is click on deselect. Oops, this should be lower. Okay, cool. And now we just got to do on move question mark dot invoke. And then same thing here. So on pointer up question mark dot invoke. On pointer down is correct. On pointer exit. Oops, no, exit. On pointer enter. On pointer click. Deselect. I think that's it. And I can adjust the serializer later to be like not shitty. Damn, I could actually just change the sprites instead of the colors. Like, why is this not exposed? That's like such a cool thing you could do. But whatever. So there's no drag, but we can emulate drag with the ones we have here. Because drag is just like a combination event. So let's see. I can do... oh god, hold on. Do I need like a drag handler or anything? I don't think so, right? Because, like, hold on, if I do item slot content. What is this from? It's from Overcooked. Oh, cool. Yeah, Overcooked actually does slap. Yeah, I had a system in mind, and I remember implementing it, or at least starting to. So I just have to, like, I'm pretty sure I just have to find that. It could be an item slot. Okay. Oh, posture check, everyone. Okay, yeah, so I do have some stuff in item slot, so I'm pretty sure... Yeah, okay, I remember what this is. So... Right, okay. So if I do... Item slot content. Okay, so I don't need this anymore. It's just a debug thing. I can do public void begin drag, public void end drag. And I can do public item slot, last known slot. And I can do on begin drag, if last known slot equals null, then last known slot equals, can you just find, is that a thing? Hey, thanks for the, what is this? Give, please? I've never seen that one. Thank you for keeping the chat active, Helen. Find. Hold on. No, hold on. Okay, get component in parent item slot. There we go. Okay, and then this might be jank, but hopefully what I can do is hold on begin drag, and then at the end of this I can do transform.set parent null. I can do private bool dragging, and I can do drag. Okay, first dragging equals true, and then at the end of ndrag, dragging equals false. Yeah, it does. Thanks, Helen. Looks like a real streamer's chat. Okay, so now I can do transform.set parent. Hopefully this works. Item slot dot active slot dot transform. This has the potential to either work flawlessly first try, or it could just be the jankest thing on the planet. I just have no idea, but I think that's all I need. I really think that's all I need. And next what I want to do is anytime active slot is set, I want it to say active slot, what the new active slot is. So hopefully the idea is that as I hover over different slots, that should be like the next active slot or whatever. Except we're running into the same issue where these things just don't work. So I'm thinking, oh shit. How do I do this? I'm thinking. Also, this song is kind of mesmerizing, so I kind of just spaced out for a second. Hold on. Shoot. Now I'm thinking. How about a reference to a sprite that's being dragged? And when that spot is non-null, it follows the mouse pointer. What do you mean by that? Let's see if the first half of this works. Can I like, does it actually like deparent it? No, it doesn't even do that. So I don't need this anymore. Don't need event trigger anymore. Oh, right, I have it not doing anything. Okay, so if I do... Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's the idea. Hold on. And now I'm realizing I'm pretty sure instead of the click and drag method, I think it makes more sense to just do the click method anyway. It's just a lot more stable. So if I do on pointer up, oh my god, I'm just trying to think of, okay, the one thing that's like tearing me apart right now, Leisha, is that I'm torn between whether the button should be, what am I wearing? Hold on. I'm wearing the new yes, I'm wearing the new outfit that we shopped for yesterday. It's not bad. Not my usual style, but I like it. Anyway. And thanks, Jimmy. And now the more I think about it, I think it makes more sense because I'm pretty sure the button I don't have to scrap all this, but I'm pretty sure I need to replace this like button override thing into item slot. Because yeah, I'm pretty sure I have to sorry, I'm having trouble like formulating this into words. I'm pretty sure the button needs to be an item slot. Because like if I drag something into an empty slot, it needs to yeah, okay. I think this is the way I need to. If I drag something into an empty slot, it still needs to do things. So it doesn't make sense to have it in content, because if it doesn't have any content, then it wouldn't do anything. So if it's an empty slot, it would. Okay, hold on. So I need to move some of this over. Like, it's still all the same logic and stuff. I just need to have this inherit from button instead. Yeah, and then public override. Oh, that's the wrong level, isn't it? Change signature to. Is it protected? Is that what it is? Oops. Okay, yeah, protected override void awake, and then I can do base dot awake. Okay. And that should be fine. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. It's starting to come together. You just like I just had to like do things, and now like what I actually need is starting to like make sense a little bit. Okay. So these button events actually like it's very simple. I just need to move them over. So these need to be an item slot. Okay. And then I need to have the Unity Engine.events. And I need to have event systems? Okay, fuck it. And now this item slot content thing needs to actually be item slot editor. Oops. And then item. Oh, no, I don't want to rename that. I just item slot. Item slot. That's it. Drop me a religion name from. Oh, you're doing Civ right now? Oh, what's a good religion name for Civ? Covenant of the Lotus Eaters. Wait, no, that doesn't fit. Wait, Covenant of the Porcupine. Covenant of Trucks. I don't know. Covenant of Trucks. There we go. Sorry. That's all I got. My next one was going to be like Dingusism. Shift your religion into 4-wheel drive. Okay, let's see. God. Okay, now there's like a bunch of stuff in here, which is fine. Okay, yeah. This is what I want, cuz this is a lot better. Cuz so now if I go into item slot, like this jank stuff I'm doing, I can actually use like events for that. So instead of using on mouse enter, I can now just do the override on. Where is it? Why do I not have... Huh? Did I not... I said override, right? Oh, because I'm stupid. I already have them. Anyway. Okay, so now I need to create... I can just create an event that... I can create a function that is called by the event. And this one can be called... Oh, fuck, what am I even doing? My head's all over the place right now. I need it to... Okay. Public void set active slot. And then I can do active slot equals this. Great. And then I can say is null. And that way I can have it set the active slot. Oh shit, wait. Okay, no, this doesn't work. Because the behavior I want, name your religion fart, so fart can spread. That's a pretty good one. Or COVID-19 would be another good one. Okay, hold on. No, so the behavior I want is when you hover over a slot and you're not clicking anything, then that slot becomes the new active slot. If you hover over something and wait, no, I'm being stupid. I'm overcomplicating it. No, this should work. This should work. Yeah, I think this should work. And okay, so we can do this might lead to race conditions though. If I like enter, if I leave one and enter the next one. Okay, what if I just rename this to however? What was that? Hovered slot. Set hovered slot. Do I even need that? Like, what am I doing? I have lost all sense and perspective of what I'm even doing right now. Like, what the heck? Also, another banger right here. Okay, speaking of which, if you have any suggestions for game songs to add to the playlist, please let me know, because some of these are getting pretty old. Okay, so what do I need? I need... So the item slot, when you click on it... how many percent? I don't have any Persona music in here, actually. If you send me a Spotify link, I can add it to the playlist. So when you fully click, if it has anything inside of it, do you want all of it or just a song or two? Just a song or two for now. Like give like top 2, I think. Because I'm not trying to overpower the playlist with it would be disproportionately Persona if you did the whole thing. DMs incoming. I cannot wait. I don't even have Discord open. Oh, here it is. Wait, why is it... Hold on. Let me... Alley Cat. Add to Kampai Streams. There we go. Heartbreak. Let me... I'm trusting you. I'm not even listening to it right now. Is this real? Is this a song? It is a song. Okay. Kampai Streams. Let's play this one. See what happens. Ooh, that's nice. Helen, you can add K-pop if it's if it's in a game soundtrack somewhere, and no, Beat Saber doesn't count as a game soundtrack, except for the 1 or 2 Beat Saber songs I actually have in here. Check Discord DMs. Thank you for that, Helen. I will not be sharing that on stream. Yeah. I will, however, DM that to Jimmy, because that is hilarious. Oh god. Okay, what the fuck do I do here? Okay, I'm thrashing right now. I literally am just going back and forth, not actually accomplishing anything. So I think something that will help with that is I really just actually want to close all the tabs. Like that actually really helps me a lot. And then I can just go through one at a time. Okay, I'm working with item slot right now. And what I need to happen is when you click on it, if it has any content, that content goes into the ether land or whatever. So I think I've seen this before. So is there a drag handler? Okay. So I'm going to create another script. It's called a drag handler. And all it will really do is reference currently dragged items. So I'm going to put this in the namespace of inventory system. Oops. Please. Let me type P, please. Thank you. Okay. So now I can go into item slot content. Dragged content. Context. What is... Okay. And I can do update. And if... Hold on. Let me do vector to public, vector to drag offset. So I can do if dragged content, then dragged content dot position transform dot position. Oh, wait, this is not the correct. This is not the correct soundtrack I'm on. Hold on, let me go back to. Okay, there we go. Nope. Hold on. There we go. You can relate to this one, Jimmy. Public void set dragged object. Oh, and this needs to be. I can make this a singleton. So I have a public static drag handler instance. I know some of you might not like singletons, but whatever. Instance. Okay. Whatever, I'll do the lazy one. I'll just do instance equals this. Actually, you know what? That's dumb. Okay. If instance equals null. Good one. Good one, Jimmy. Okay, that works. I cannot set dragged content. Or is it dragged or drug? Wait, no, it's dragged. Yeah, it's dragged. Okay, never mind. And then item slot content. This dot content equals content. Oh wait. Okay, wait, no, I don't need that. This then. Actually, you know what? It adds clarification. I know. Set drug content is a different method. Yeah. Whatever. I'll just make this public because I just realized I need it. I can confirm that Senpai can see your comments. Yeah, you just you're gonna give some more PII away out on the internet, Helen? Don't you fucking dare. Wait, yeah, you could totally like sell my identity. That's kind of a scary thought. You're probably the only one in the world that, well, I mean, besides like my actual family that could do it. No, you already sold it. I just need those those funny little digits on the back of your credit card. Didn't we just listen to this? Yeah, we just did listen to this. Is it? It's shuffling, right? I need to shuffle. Okay, I think this one's new. Yeah, I need to expand the playlist out. Posture check. Okay, so if the item slot content no longer needs to inherit from button. And to be honest, I have no idea what this needs anymore. Do I even need this? I don't know. So, oh shit, that's too much. So for now, I'm actually just gonna get rid of all this because I moved it all over to item slot. So now, when you click on an item slot, it should... what? Hold on, I'll just change this to set item, because that's... Set item UI has become a misleading name. Okay, so that's the only thing it has here, right? And then the button events, right? Okay, so that's good. That's good. And so now, in addition to that, I need to okay, whatever. Let's just start coding. Begin drag and end drag. Wait, let's call it void drag handler. Okay. Okay, drag handler. I like that. I like that. So, wait. Oh, but this is... that's an... Okay, hold on. Maybe just on click or something. Like a very literal... This is what triggers this. So if I do, okay, this on click here, if I go here, okay, whatever. Item slot on click. Okay, I'm fine with that for now. What's the null ref? Hopefully nothing. Okay, so now, if content, okay, what's the first thing to do? So first I should check if... Hold on. I can make this public static drag content. Yeah, it's fine. Because there's only going to be one. Okay. If drag handler dot dragged content not equals null, then okay, so let's write it down in pseudocode. So if dragging item okay, so this is on click. If dragging item, if slot not empty swap. Otherwise, place item. If not dragging, then if slot not empty, drag. Okay, I think that's the simplest way you can do it. So if dragging item, so if the drag content not equals null, then let's set up a temporary content. Wait, what? Oh, no. I don't know what to call this. Equals, God, what am I doing? So if the item slot content, okay, so if the slot is not empty, swap. Otherwise, place the item. Okay, so first I need to check to see if there's something already there. Which is, oh, equals content. Oh shit, it's a game object. Okay, that's fine. I think I can handle this being a game object. Okay, so if... Oh, okay, then regardless... Okay, I have it stored in the temp content. So, okay, wait, no, there's some overhead to this. So I do need to first... If slot is not empty. So if the slot... If content is not equals no, then game object... Oh, God. And then I can do... Oh, God. Content dot transform dot set parent null. Okay, that's yes, I think that's correct. And then I can do temp. Wait, no. Well, yeah. So drag handler dot dragged content equals temp content get component content. Okay, this is not the best way to do this, but it's fine. And then, so I've already handled the thing that was already there. Wait, hold on. No, so this needs to happen regardless, right? So if the content inside when you click is not null, oh, I see. Wait, okay, so I need to do a swap, so it doesn't quite work like this. So I need a special case for swapping. And then, okay, yeah, so there's a step I'm missing, which is set item, drag handler dot dragged content dot item. Wait. Oh shit. Wait, did I delete something I actually need? Oh shit. Yeah, it needs a reference to its own item. So get okay, return get component in parent item slot dot item. Oh shit, wait, hold on. Oh fuck, how do I do this? And then I can do the same thing for quantity. Hold on. Is it possible to do a swap without having a temp object in between? No. In this case and in general computer science, that is not a thing you can do. Hold on. I'm gonna use the restroom and think about this a little more, because there's like a couple different ways I could do it. Huh. The whole notion of like the item slot content, it only exists for the UI. So I have a little revision, which I think will clear up a lot of my confusion. So initially, the reason I had content was because I needed a way to have a wrapper around the UI elements. I needed a way to have the wrappers around the UI elements of an item. And so now the issue is I'm trying to drag content in between different slots. And I've just realized something that I need to adjust with this strategy, is that the item slot content also needs the item itself. And so what I really should be doing is this item and quantity thing should actually be here. I think that was my confusion and why I was doing it like, yeah, this just didn't seem right. Like referencing back to the slot. Yeah, that doesn't make any sense. The item and quantity should be handled inside item slot content. Yes. And now, okay. And then I can do public void update UI. And then, hold on. So, let me add, so public, it has unityengine.ui in here. So this is going to be an image. Let's call that the sprite, and then public int quantity. No, not int. Public TMP, which I don't have included here. Text, quantity text. And I'll call this item image for convention. Sounds like a lot is going to item slot content. Not really that much, to be honest. Do I need item anymore? Yes, I do need item. Yes, because item itself is a scriptable object, which basically what it equates to is it's a database entry. Basically, it's just a bunch of data. So it has like it doesn't even have that much, but it does have all this, which is stored in a database, which is actually, where's that? Resources, databases, yeah, like items, like right here. Each of these is its own thing. So yes, that is still necessary. But that is a very good observation. Okay, yeah. So I'm basically, the issue is like this is why you gotta just like keep coding, because it's so easy to like try to come up with the perfect system like from the get-go, and like every single time like I like have made progress with like making something, I found out like I need to change it later. And so I think this is really good that I'm just it's a lot better to just keep coding and figure it out as you go, I think. So hold on, update UI. So I can do item image if it exists dot sprite equals item dot icon. Oh, this is not nullable. Okay, never mind. And then quantity text dot set text quantity dot toString. Okay. Starting to come together. Okay, let's see. What else? So, things are broken now. I know for a fact. Okay, great. So, I never finished that, so that's one thing. And now here are all the real errors. Okay. So, content should now, instead of a game object, it needs... Right. Instead of a game object, it needs to be item slot content. And now we got to refactor some stuff here. So content equals instantiate this dot get component item slot content. There we go. That works. Okay, now content dot item equals item, and then content dot quantity equals quantity. There we go. Okay, this is starting to come together. So set item, now all it does is it updates the stuff in content, and if you set the item to null, then it destroys the content. The UI, which is just a UI wrapper game object. Okay, starting to come together. And now this is starting to make sense, where now this, I don't need to get a component randomly. Okay. And Yeah, and none of this would have worked anyway because I destroy the content if there's nothing in there, so that this automatically gets dereferenced anyway. Like none of this that I'm doing here makes any sense. So now things are starting to come together. So content item. Okay, hold on. And then I can do content.update UI. That's all I need. Perfect. Yeah, this is all just weird. I don't like any of this. So what is this? I don't need that. That all just felt so weird. So I don't need this anymore. All I need to do is actually make sure that the content sets the UI correctly. So now actually setting items happens through the item slot, which is persistent, and then as appropriate it will delegate the necessary UI rendering functions to the item slot content. Now this is starting to make a lot more sense. Ah, I see. Okay, wait, this might have been the null ref then. So content no longer has a button. So I don't need these anymore. Yeah. Just in case I do, though, in case I'm wrong, I'm just going to comment them out for now. Okay, let's see here. Oh shit. Okay. Okay, so if the slot is empty, add item to max quantity and continue to the next item. So if slot.content, right? Oh, did I make it private? Yeah, I did. That's fine. Equals null. There we go. So content is now okay. This is starting to make a little bit more sense. Content is now a wrapper of the actual item information itself, as well as like the stat count and all that, wrapped together in a bundle with the UI, which I think I do like it being separated from the actual item slot itself. So hopefully some of these should be gone now. All of them are gone. That's great. And that's the Code Monkey stuff, which I no longer need anymore. Oh, hold on. I was just using that for reference, so I can delete that. Great. Whoa. Reload. Okay, and now it's just done through set item, which I just changed up here. So now, if I press play, will it still populate? That is the question. If I do that, if it still populates, which it doesn't because there's a null ref, what? Oh, I probably just didn't set something. Oh, okay, yeah, I just didn't. So I need to update some prefabs here. So resources, prefabs, item slot. I don't think there's... Yeah, there's nothing I need to change there. But the content, I actually need to update the references. So that's the icon, that's the stack text. Don't need these yet. Okay. So now I actually need to go through the canvas, no, item container, and reset. And hopefully that should have updated it. So now these are all referenced. And there's like a 50-50 chance this works. All right. I was kind of hoping it would work, though. Oh, but it does. It does, but it's just not showing up for some reason. But that's good. It is populating. It's just not showing up. And now I have to figure out why. Oh, shit. And then the content no longer has a button. Yeah, that's fine. I don't believe I need this image anymore. In fact, I think that might have been blocking them off, maybe? No. Oh, because these aren't prefabs. I actually need to reset this. Maybe this will work now? No. Okay, what's the issue? Missing game object. What? Item slot. It should be content. Item slot content. Okay. Or... Yeah, oh, okay. Wait, yeah, it was referencing this instead of the actual prefab itself. That was an issue. Okay. I don't think this is gonna solve it right away, though. No more errors, very satisfying. So true. What if we were all cavemen? We wouldn't know what a PC was. Very true. Thank you for your input. Posture check. If you're sleepy, take a nap. Well, my posture's actually so good now, I need to readjust my camera. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Okay. What is this? thing that actually matters. Thank you for the Tycho. Or what are these? No. It's just a hammer. Alright, let's see here. So, like, okay. Oh, image is just disabled. Wait. Yeah, what? What is the... Why is it just disabled? It's not by default, right? Yeah, it's not. Oh, I do have to, hold on. I can do content dot no, not button. Item image dot enabled equals true. Content dot, no, what is it? Text, quantity text dot enabled equals true. Does that just fix the problem? Oh my god, wouldn't it be so cool if it just like worked now? Watch this. Bada bing, bada hey, let's go. Okay, I'm never doing that again. Yeah, it's weed. Let's go with that. Okay, so now... Okay, now that we've got it back to where we had it at the start of this stream, let's actually get the drag handler working. So, item slot. Item slot is the one with the click. And oh yeah, click doesn't actually... It's not actually doing anything yet. Okay, so if we're dragging an item and the item that we just clicked on is not null, then we need to swap them. So that's what we're doing. We're swapping. So temp content equals content, temp transform, set parent null. Right. Okay, and then we can so then the dragged content set. Now we set the item of the item slot to the dragged content, right? Dot oh fuck. Dot item. There we go. And then drag handler dot dragged content dot quantity. There we go. And now finally the new dragged content should be the temp content that we just made. So otherwise, if the content is null, then it's very simple. We just do set item and then drag handler dot dragged content equals null. Very easy. So now, otherwise, if the dragged content is null, then if content is not equal to null, then okay, so drag handler dot dragged content equals content, and then set item to null, and then otherwise do nothing because you're clicking on nothing and you have nothing. Okay. So let me actually label these. Swapping slot content and dragged content. So set dragged content to slot content. Set slot content to dragged content. And then just do nothing. Pointless click. Okay. Great. I think that's good. Well, I have no idea if this is going to work, but might as well try. So if I go to the item content, no, item slot. There we go. The item slot on click should call the actual function on click. All right, let's see if it works. This sounds very Persona, yeah. Hold up, why is it not displaying the number now? What's it getting covered by? Whoa. Did you see that? It like Whoa. Oh, okay, the UI just got fucked. But look, it's like, it's almost working. It's schmoovin'. It is schmoovin'. So it drags for, okay, it drags for one frame and then it undrags. I wonder why that is. And let's also see why in God's name the text is being all funky. What? Why? I don't understand. Why does it go to that? And it shouldn't be auto-sized either. I don't... Yeah, it's just 0. Wait, what? Okay, well, it is set to auto-size, which... Oh! Wait, yeah. What the hell? And it should be upper right. Okay, that was weird. I don't know how that happened. Or maybe it was always like that and it just happened to work. Okay. Okay, there we go. So it's good. It's a start. I'm actually really happy with that. That's really good. A really good start. Now, what I would like to see, though, is while I'm doing this, what does the drag handler say the dragged content is? So, hold on. Let me just... There we go. Just so I can see it in the inspector. It's a super weird solution there. Missing? It says it's missing. So something's got to be wrong with my logic. What? It does it for one frame and then it says it's missing. Why is that? So on click. So dragged content is null, so it goes here. Oh, I know why. Because content dot game object dot set transform dot set parent null. Because when I set item to null, it actually deletes it. I think that's what's happening. And it's getting really confused. So I was just missing this element of it, the setting parent to null. Okay, and I just discovered some other jank. Oh god. I think I need to have another override for set item that okay, so I'm gonna rename this to set item from data, and then I'm gonna have another one called public void set item from content, and then item slot content, which is fine. Yeah, this overrides it, but that's fine. And now all I should have to do is content.set transform.set parent transform. I literally think that's all I have to do. I'm pretty sure that's all I have to do. Oh, and then, sorry, this dot content equals content. So, set item from content is very easy because it just copies the contents over, and I've already moved the item information into content. So that's all I need to do is just set the reference and make sure it's a child appropriately. And then I also need to make sure content.transform.position or local position equals vector 3.0. So I zero out all this stuff. As well as, I'm not sure if I'm ever going to do this, but local rotation equals quaternion.identity just in case. Never know. And then I'm pretty sure set item from data is still fine. Yeah. I'm pretty sure that's still fine. Okay. So now, when I go to item container, set item from data is fine. But when I go down to item slot in the on click, it should set item from content. And then I can create another one here for public void clear item. what's a good, is that a good name for it? I don't know. And then I can just do set item from data null, because just calling this is a very confusing name. So I like having this for readability. So, oh, and then if I go down here, clear item. Or clear content, maybe? I like that better, I think. Because it's more than just the item. It's the content, which we've already established is a wrapper for the item. So I think that name makes a little more sense. Okay, let's see if we're... I want to see if I broke anything. And if not, that's a win. B, I want to see if it works. Ah, I have now realized the error of my ways. Hold on. Okay, so instead of parent equals null, it needs to be the canvas, which is very easy because we have a reference to the canvas object because that's where the drag handler is. So drag handler dot instance dot transform. So now it'll just be it'll be in the parent or in the canvas root as opposed to the scene root. So it'll still display as a UI element. And that needs to happen here as well. Okay, we still have the missing issue. But it's still dragging for one frame, and in addition to that, it's unparenting it, which is great. And I can still see it. So why is it? I thought we fixed the it being null thing. Why is it missing? So it's only getting here, right? So I don't know. Maybe this is something we can solve with a debugger. Oh shit, that should no longer be there. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so when I click, it goes to the debugger. So yeah, I was correct. It gets here. And so, all right, let's see. Okay. So let's go step over F10. Now dragged content. Hopefully. Wait, what is content? So dragged content is now content. Okay. And then, oh, wait. I see. There's one more step we're missing, which is after we set the parent. Oh, okay, we have to dereference it out. Okay, so after we set the parent, then content equals null. we dereference it. We're just dereferencing it. I think that's what we're missing. And then oh, and then this set item from data is outdated. It needs to be set item from content. Right? Set item from content. And then we have content. Or is it temp content? No. Wait. Dragged content. That's what it is. Drag handler dot dragged content. And I think, yeah, I think we need this. So content equals null. Now that we've gotten... So let's do temp content here, just in case. That doesn't really change anything. But so we set the parents to null, and then we also dereference it. We have to dereference it, otherwise it gets confused and destroys it. So then set item from content. Wait, actually, no. What? No, that. Hold on. Whatever. It's redundant. I don't care if it's redundant. And then dragged content. No, hold on. I need to do that afterwards. Yeah. So, okay. Okay, this is not the best way to do it. I just want to get it into a working state first. But I think this should resolve it. If I go back to item slot, on click. So the drag content equals the content. It's getting set. I know it's getting set. So the drag content is being set to content, which is correct. It's then setting it's setting it to the UI root. The parent is now the UI root, so it's effectively parentless, and then it dereferences content. And then when you clear content, all that should do is set the item to null, which it does. So in theory, this should work, or at the very least. Wait, me? I don't need a pee break. What are you talking about? Oh, also it works. Let's go. Oh, let's go. And the funny thing about this is I can't. These are all the same items, so I can't even tell if it's like working. It's not because. Okay, so that's another thing. When an item is being dragged, it needs to not have a. It needs to not block raycasts. Raycast target? No, it should not be a raycast target. So let's fix that real quick. So if we go to item slot content, raycast target for icon is no. Wait. Oh shit. Hold on. So drag hand. No. In item slot. That's right. When it sets the item, this needs to be content dot item image dot raycast target equals false. And then I need to do content dot quantity text dot raycast target equals false. And now the next thing I want to do is actually make sure the items are different. What is the background music? Yeah, this is the woohoo music from Super Mario 64. What are you talking about, Helen? Uh-oh. Okay, well that solves that error. Yeah, you can be on stream if you want, but just a heads up, I'm about to head out in a sec. You wanna pop into the lobby? Hello.
Time to commit war crimes.
What is why war crime? What the hell? Okay, so swapping items works. Okay, I can hear myself through your mic, by the way. So swapping items actually works. That's great.
That's so cool.
But putting an item into an empty container doesn't work. So let's see what the issue with that is. So if I go to the items slot, yes. Set slot content to dragged content. Okay. Oh, no, the other one. Wait. Set drag content to slot content. Here we go. So
Sockon?
Oh, yeah. There we go. Duh. Drag handler dot dragged content. There we go. Easy fix.
Sockon.
What's Sockon?
You answer.
Is it Sockon D's nuts? Oh, hey, what do you know? It works.
Sockon or your
both.
game?
Jimmy, are you still here? Oh my god. Did Jimmy really leave at the best part?
He's playing Civ.
Oh no, he's still here. Hold on.
Jimmy, do you know Sockon?
Okay, so I did it. Now, there's an edge case that I completely forgot about. And that is if this isn't going to work as I would like it to. It still technically works. But it's just stupid. So you can't combine items in... Oh, shit.
I want Sockon.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, whatever. I'll just set this to... Why did I make it this way? That's so dumb. Okay, so... Okay, these are bad examples because they're all stacked up. But if you have two not fully stacked items, it doesn't work as intended. because it just swaps the items. It won't combine them into one stack. Like, I think that the closest reference for the this system is the Minecraft system.
Sawcon.
Helen, you okay? What is this destroy media thing?
Jimmy says it's really cool seeing the drag and drop work.
Thanks, Jimmy.
But Jimmy, have you been to Dragon Con?
Shut the hell up.
He came. Oh no.
He what?
He came.
Not in this Discord. Jimmy, come back. We miss you.
Unity preprocessor only do something in play mode. Oh wait, I think
Mute the stream. Otherwise, I get 2 audios.
Yeah, you gotta mute the stream.
Hi Jimmy.
Hello, Ryan. How you doing?
Pretty good.
I mean, Conpai.
No, it's okay.
Trying not to give away any PII.
Yeah. I mean, it's not really a secret. I just want to like minimize it in general.
Anybody in the chat want to know where Ryan's gonna live?
No, nobody want. Why is there two? What? Do you see this? Are you seeing it? There's like 2 things now. Why is that?
Like 2 item count things, or
Yeah.
I don't know. Are you?
It has
sure
2
you're really
contents.
putting them in the slot.
Why does it
Yeah.
have 2 contents?
I don't remember your code. Do you really have like a guarantee that it gets rid of the old content?
No. I guess
Yeah.
I thought I did, but I guess
What's the
not.
problem? Oh, okay. Well, hey, maybe not then. I don't know.
Jimmy.
What's up?
Dragon.
What's dragon?
Is it gonna happen?
In the moment, she can't bring it home. What is this?
You're right, you finish it.
I
Hey-
swear
hey-
this doesn't happen all the time.
Hey, Jimmy.
What?
Have you ever been to SawCon?
No, what's Sakon?
SawCon D's nuts. Okay, thank you for coming to the stream, everyone. We're done. Dragging works. Everything's done. See you guys later. Woo! We fucking got him. Let's